Hi there, here we have the 2017 on a 67 plate Kia Picanto. This is the 1.23 5-door manual. I'll do a video walking around the car showing you the excellent condition this car is offered in. So as you can see, the front bumper, there is no scuffs, no scratches. Moving on to the bonnet, it is nice and clean, there is no dents, no chips, no scratches. So nothing untoward onto the bonnet or front bumper. Alloys, they are the 15-inch alloys, and as you can see there, they are nice and clean. They have not been curbed. Just to confirm, one owner from new with full service history. Rushmore's have done a full service on the vehicle, and a new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. It does have the rear parking sensors, so as well as the rear parking sensors, it does also have the rear camera, which is just there, and it is activated once the car is when the car is put in reverse, and it's on the screen, which I'll show you on the inside. And as you saw there, the back bumper, there is no scuffs, no scratches. HPI clear, so all our cars that come in, we do a HPI on the cars, and we make sure that they are clear. It does also have the main dealer warranty. So when the car was first registered in 2017, that's when the warranty start date started. So from that date, it did have the 7 years. There is a remaining 4 years on the warranty, so that's until 2024. Let's have a look at the interior as well. Right, so looking inside, as you can see there, the dash is nice and clean. There is no marks. That's the screen. There is no scratches and nothing untoward. Steering wheel, nice and fresh, as well as the seats. So we've done a full valet on the vehicle as well, and as you can see, it is nice and clean on the inside. So as you can see, the back windows are electric as well. Seats on the inside, nice and clean once again. So obviously we've done a full valet on the car, as I mentioned. It does also come with the ISOFIX, so a nice safety point for the kids. Let's have a look at the boot space as well. Obviously, being a Kia Picanto, as you can see, that's the boot space of the seats at the back can also fold down, so that can be done as well, just with the there. So once again, the back seats, as you can see, obviously it is pet free and smoke free, so there is no odours inside the vehicle, and as you can see yourself, it is as it should be. Driver's side door, as you can see there, it does have all the controls, so the front and rear electric windows. It does have the folding door mirrors, so with the button you can press it and then they will fold in and out. Very, very nice for when you are parking or you're in a supermarket. It's nice to fold them in. Also, you do have the mirror adjustment as well, so they are fully electric. Once you jump in the car and you're not happy with the mirrors, then you can set them to where you want them to be. Traction control. It does have the multifunctional steering wheel, as you can see, and then you can turn up the volume just on the steering wheel, as well as pick up phone calls and decline. So once you're driving, if you connect your phone onto the Bluetooth, which can be done, you can pick up and decline calls on there. Climate control, so it does have the climate control with the aircon, 12 volts, aux and USB as well. So let's go on to the map. So as you can see there, that's the map on the screen. If we go to the nav, you can add in your destination of where you want to go. Radio, it does have the DAB radio, And then media, obviously there is nothing connected at the moment, but you can connect your phone by either aux, USB, or Bluetooth as well. So Bluetooth audio, if you wanted to play your music through YouTube, Spotify, you name it, it can be done. It does also have phone projection, so you can mirror anything onto your phone on the screen here just by using the USB cable. And then more settings just there, so language, keyboard, system settings, etc. What I'll do is I'll put the car in reverse, and then you can see the rear camera as well. So there we go, now the car is in reverse, as you can see, and the rear camera is activated. And once I take it off reverse, the camera is off again. Auto lights, so they are auto lights. What I'll do is just flick it on there. During the night time, the lights will come on itself, and then also wipers just there for you. So yeah, as you can see, it is nice and clean inside. Once again, there is no odours, so it is pet free and smoke free. Just to recap before we finish off the video, it is a one owner from new, full service history. Rushmore's, I've done a full service on a vehicle, and a new 12 months MOT will be done at point of sale. There is the main dealer warranty, so for a remaining of 4 years, so in 2024, that's when it runs out. So that is a very nice peace of mind when buying this car. It's one of them cars that don't stick around for long. I know this car will fly out the door, as it is a nice car to own. So if there is any further questions, then don't hesitate to pick up the phone or email us, as we will be more than happy to help you out. Or if you need finance arranging, then no problem, we can definitely do that for you as well. You can call us in the office, and definitely can be done. Okay, thanks for watching.